What's going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. We haven't been talking about Palantir for a while, and I'm not sure why. It's been kind of floating under everyone's radar recently, but people fail to realize this company has rallied over 50% from just a couple months ago. And, it is climbing back up. The stock's over $27 a share now, and it has started getting a lot of good press release as well. That is a big deal as well. Press coverage is huge for a stock. Before we jump in, though, if you guys could like and subscribe, that would mean a ton to me. We also have a Discord and link in the description below. Feel free to join and come and chat with us. We make out a lot of good plays and just talk about overall market conditions and potential opportunities out there. So feel free to join. Would love to talk to you guys. But speaking of these press releases, there's been a lot of good press about PLTR recently, which is something we didn't see a couple months ago when Wall Street was actually bashing on it, and this stock was getting sold off every single day. But now the stock has rallied over 50%, and a lot of analysts believe that this is the time to get into PLTR. Quick summary of this: they basically say that PLTR is leading beneficiary from the big data boom in the years ahead. Obviously, data is just becoming more and more important for all sort of companies. You track the data, you can understand data analytics, and you can profit off that by finding out what the clients and consumers want. And Palantir does that amazing, and they have a compelling business model, solid competitive strengths, and huge growth and profitability on the way as well, and is barely getting started in terms of capitalizing on its long-term growth opportunities. The only issue right now is valuation, but they do believe that long-term growth will fundamentally make this thing work. Speaking of fundamentals, if you actually go and look at PLTR, $51.39 billion market cap, pretty big, obviously. We look at their revenue, $341 million last quarter. They're still unprofitable as of right now, but they are getting more clients and getting more profitable since they were losing a lot earlier. They're making a lot more revenue, as you guys can clearly see. That's big growth year over year, an annual return, 47% year over year growth as well on the revenue side. And also getting a lot more contracts as well. It's all about contracts for PLTR. Obviously, they have a ton of big government contracts. We briefed about that in a video a long time ago. But they also are getting a lot of business, commercial, and corporate clients as well. They have AT&T, Procter & Gamble, 3M, Rio, Credit Suisse, Airbus, United Airlines. And obviously U.S. governments such as the FBI, ICE, the NSA, a lot of those big ones as well. Even bio companies, ABBV, big car companies, Ferrari, Chrysler, Fiat. So they're obviously getting some big clients, and those clients pay well, and they continue to add more and more every single year. They've also implemented AWS, which is Amazon, into their platform, and to help out with their cloud computing as well. So PLTR has really been flying under the radar recently, but the stock price hasn't. And like I said, it has rallied hard from the lows to come back over 50% now. So that's obviously pretty awesome to see. Congrats to all those who held. I wish I could have held my PLTR. I had to sell when we had that bad flash crash in March. I still sold at a profit, but I got hammered out of it at about $25 a share, and then I added a lot more as well, going down here in May when we also had a little bit of a crash, but then had to sell as well for a small. I think I had profited on the first one and then took a small loss on the second one because I wanted to add into Apple that was getting obliterated as well. So it stinks, but sometimes you got to do that, and it worked out fine. We made a ton of money as well. So, but yeah, people have not been talking about this stock much, and I think it deserves a little bit more credit. Also, their CEO, Alex Karp, genius, absolute genius. I would not bet against that guy. I did that once and learned my mistake. I'm not going to do that again. So really watch out for PLTR. Keep it on your watch list. And, if you see this thing under 25, I think it's a very good bargain. It's also a great stock to sell puts on as well because the implied volatility is higher, so you're getting a lot more premium for it as well. So just thought I'd brief you guys on that quickly. Let me know your thoughts on PLTR and all that's going on in the market. Overall, pretty decent day. Dow fell a little bit, S&P up some, and NASDAQ up about 1%, with the Russell 2000 going down about 0.5% as well. So that's about it for today. I want to keep this video short for you guys. Love to come chat with you in the Discord. Come on and join. See you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.